Hello and welcome to a new video, and today we are going to be speaking about our beautiful iFrame widget, very easy to use, so stay and let's go. Now we are in our famous workspace and we are going to create some iframes, and I prepared some links before because for an iframe what you want to do is embed a URL inside of the iframe. So we have some possibilities of what you can embed in a Datacake dashboard. Possibilities are endless as long as the website allows it, of course. But in this case, I have 3 different URLs from 3 different services that are quite cool and that we are going to embed into Datacake, and I'm gonna show you how. So I have in here some dashboards. We have a temperature dashboard, and it makes sense maybe that we don't have a weather widget. Of course, we have temperature measurements that we take from our IoT sensors, but we have heard in the past about people that want to embed the weather inside of their dashboard, and now I'm going to create an iFrame widget. It's the last one on the right corner right now, and you're going to see this. It's a very sleek configurator in comparison to the ones that we've seen in past videos. In this case, you can simply set a title, a source, and the appearance. So on basics, I'm going to say I want this to be the weather, and the source is going to be the weather in my city. So I'm going to copy paste with the keyboard the URL with the weather forecast. Of course, they have cookies, so you have in here the cookie pop-up, and you can interact with this page now on Datacake. So I'm going to make it a little bigger. I'm gonna save it, and now you can see that I have the weather prediction of my city embedded inside of Datacake, which is awesome. You can actually click on it and have daily forecast. You can interact with it inside of Datacake. Awesome. So you can actually create your own dashboards. Like in this case, this is the Streamlit dashboard. I think Simon took it out of somewhere, and he had the link, and I'm going to now enable tabs because I want to create this inside of the same. So I'm gonna say this is the temperature, and this one's gonna be New York City Uber rides dashboard. And now I created a second tab, and in here I'm going to create an iframe, and I'm gonna paste the second URL inside of here, copy paste, and now you're going to go to appearance, and you're going to see that we have, for example, again the option of tinting. This is going to paint the card behind it, but in my case I want to hide the background. I just want it to float around, and I want to use full screen height. That means that the platform will take exactly the width of your screen and will take it to generate the iframe. This is very useful when you only have one single widget in the dashboard. If you have more widgets, that might disturb. So you're going to create it, and now this is it. Now you have the widget on Datacake, and you can again navigate around, you can click around, you can see JFK Airport, very chaotic one, and you can see where there's more Uber rides in New York City at the moment. And yeah, with these like very interactive and super cool 3D dashboards. So you can create your own dashboards and embed them to Datacake. You can embed websites, you can embed external services, and you can display them on Datacake. So this is the iFrame. It's a very simple yet very powerful tool inside of Datacake, and yeah, just try it play around with it, embed websites, web pages inside of your Datacake dashboards, and have fun with it. And see you on the next video. Bye.